मुझे सुनना पड़ता था।
I hate to listen.
मुझे ध्यान देना पड़ता था।
I hate to attention.
मुझे देखभाल करना पड़ता था।
I hate to care.
मुझे देना पड़ता था।
I hate to give.
मुझे लेना पड़ता था।
I hate to take.
मुझे मांगना पड़ता था।
I hate to borrow.
मुझे ढोना पड़ता था।
I hate to carry.
मुझे लाना पड़ता था।
I hate to bring.
मुझे साफ करना पड़ता था।
I hate to clean.
Hello, my YouTube family. My name's Kishore, and I'm very grateful to you for your valuable support. You just heard a little girl that how she practice English, where English is known as a subject that is taught here in schools. But I took a step to introduce English as a language, not as a subject. So if you like my work, then please support me by liking my videos. And if you are new to visit my channel, then please subscribe this channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that my videos notification will reach to you fastly. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.